Hello students. So in this video I am going to discuss a numerical based on photodiode. So let's start this video. So I have written a numerical which was asked in GATE 2016. The question is a photodiode in figure. This is the photodiode given below has an active sensing area of 10 millimeter square. So active sensing area is given as 10 millimeter square. So this is the active sensing area of this photodiode, and the sensitivity of this photodiode, see from the sensitivity which is also called the responsivity, see the unit is ampere, that is current divided by optical power. So sensitivity of this photodiode is given as 0.5 ampere per watt. Watt is the optical power, so I is the photocurrent. So sensitivity is nothing, current by power is the ratio of photocurrent divided by optical power. So that is given as 0.5 ampere per watt. And the dark current of, what is dark current? So dark current is a current which flows when there is no light is falling on photodiode. So zero incident light, the current which flows is called a dark current. Now the I2V converter, given this I2V converter has a sensitivity. So sensitivity of I2V converter, suppose this, take it as S1. Sensitivity of I2V converter is given as 100 millivolt per microampere. Means for 1 microampere current, input current, 100 millivolt is generated at the output. That is I2V converter, means current is converted into voltage. For input current of 1 ampere, output voltage generated is 100 millivolt. Now, for an input light intensity, the light which is falling has the intensity of, see, intensity of a light is given as 4 watt per meter square. So, see the unit, what is the intensity? So, intensity is defined as power falling per unit area. So power is given as 4 watt per meter square, that is intensity. So power divided by which area? That is active area. Active area of photodiode. So active area of photodiode is given as 10 millimeter square, but the unit is watt divided by meter square. So we want in meter square, not millimeter square. So active area will come out to be 10 into 10 raised to power millimeter square, means 10 raised to minus 3 square. So that will come out to 10 raised to minus 6. That will, a unit will be meter square. So meter square get cancelled. The optical power comes out to be 40 into 10 raised to power minus 6 watt. Or we can say 40 microwatt. So that is the optical power. That is the optical power. Now next thing given is sensitivity. The sensitivity, see the sensitivity of photodiode is given as, so sensitivity is given as 0.5 ampere per watt, means in numerator photo current is present divided by optical power, that is called sensitivity or responsivity of, that is ratio of photo current divided by optical power. This photocurrent is the current which is generated due to incident photon. Now that is equal to ampere per watt. So we have to calculate, from this equation we can calculate, we know the optical power, so we can find out the photocurrent. That photocurrent will be 0.5 into power in watt, so that is 40 into 10 raised to minus 6 ampere. So unit will be ampere, watt get cancelled. Now 0, this 0 it gets cancelled, so 20 microampere. So photocurrent is, the current generated due to incident photon is 20 ampere. But there was also a dark current. When there is no light is falling on it, there is certain current is flowing, that is called dark current. So total current entering into I2V converter is, so total current is equal to photocurrent plus dark current. So photocurrent is 20 microampere and the dark current is given as 1 microampere. So that will be the total, that comes out to be 21 microampere. So total current entering into I2V converter is 21 microampere. Means, and this I2V converter converting the current into voltage. Sensitivity of this I2V converter is given as 100 वोल्ट पर माइक्रोएम्पियर, यानी कि फॉर 1 माइक्रोएम्पियर 100 millivolt is generated. That is called a sensitivity of this I to V converter, or you can say in numerator voltage and denominator is ratio of output to input, change in output to change in input. So, or we can define the sensitivity means either you can go this way or from the formula, means for 1 microampere 100 millivolt is generated. So input current is 21 ampere, yani for input current of 21 microampere, so 2100 millivolt will be generated. So we can conclude that output voltage V0 will be equal to 2100 millivolt, or simply 2.1 volt. Or you can use sensitivity. Sensitivity is the change in output to input. Output is voltage, input is current. So sensitivity is given as 100 millivolt divided by 1 microampere. That is sensitivity. And the output voltage V0, input current is 21 microampere. So that will get cancelled. So output voltage is 2100 millivolt. Or we can say V0 comes out to be 2.1 volt. So either we can use this formula, or simply we can determine this from the sensitivity. That is, for 1 microampere 100 millivolt is generated. For input current of 21 ampere, how much output voltage will be generated? That is equal to 2.1 volt. So the output voltage of I to V converter is 2.1 volt. Thank you.